Chiliz value equivalent to $0.2435 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $0.2350 at 47. The earlier day closed $0.2446. The change was 0.11 to 76%. Backwards rate, as to CHZ. Chiliz conjecture for July 2024. Before all else cost at $20. Exorbitant cost 25, while low cost 20. The found the middle value of cost 22. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 23. Change for July 15%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $23. Exorbitant costs 28, while low costs 23. The found the middle value of cost 25. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 26. Change for August 13%. Chiliz figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $26. Excessive costs and 32, while low costs 26. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 29. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's ends 30. Change for September 4%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $30. Excessive costs are 35, while low costs are 30. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 32. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends on 33. Change for October 10%. Chiliz gauge for November 2024. To start with cost at $33. Exorbitant costs 39, while low costs are 33. The found the middle value of costs in 35. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends in 36. Change for November 1%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $36. Exorbitant costs 40, while low cost 34. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 37. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's ends in 37. Change for December 8%. Chiliz conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at $37. Excessive costs 41, while low costs are 35. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 38. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's ends at 38. Change for January 7%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset cost at $38. Exorbitant costs are 42, while low costs are 36. The found the middle value of costs 39. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's ends at 39. Change for February 6%. Chiliz figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at $39. Excessive costs on 44, while low costs are 38. The arrived at the midpoint of costs at 41. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's ends on 41. Change for spring 1%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at $41. Excessive cost on 46, while low cost on 40. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 43. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's ends on 43. Change for April 9%. Chiliz conjecture for May 2025. Initially cost at $43. Excessive costs on 48, while low costs on 42. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 45. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's ends on 45. Change for May 7%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $45. Exorbitant costs 49, while low costs on 43. The found the middle value of cost on 46. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's ends on 46. Change for June 2%. Chiliz estimate for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $46. Exorbitant costs on 49, while low costs on 43. The found the middle value of costs on 46. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's ends and 46. Change for July's %. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2025. Before all else cost at $46. Excessive costs of 57, while low costs are 46. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 51. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's ends at 53. Change for August 2%. Chiliz figure for September 2025. Before all else cost at $53. Excessive costs are 53, while low costs are 42. The found the middle value of costs in 48. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends are 45. Change for September 1%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at some $45. Exorbitant costs in 45, while low costs 35. They found the middle value of cost in 41. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's ends at 38. Change for October 15.6%. Chilliz figure for November 2025. Before all else cost at zone $38. Excessive costs at 39, while low costs are 33. The arrived at the midpoint of costs in 37. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's ends at 36. Change for November 5.3%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at zone $36. Excessive costs are 42, while low costs are 36. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 38. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's ends on 39. Change for December 8.3%. Chilliz figure for January 2026. Initially cost at say $39. Excessive costs 48, while low costs are 39. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 43. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's ends A45. Change for January 15.4%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at ZAM $45. Excessive costs are 56, while low costs are 45. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 50. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's ends in 52. Change for February 15.6%. As to CHZ expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at 667 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,692, while low 5,000. They found the middle value of cost 6,010. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 518.82. Change for April 11.8%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for May 2024. To start with, cost at 5,882 coins. Excessive cost 8,333, while low 4,762. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,994. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 5,000. Change for May 15%. US to CHZ expectation for June 2024. At the outset, cost at 5,000 coins. Excessive cost 5,263, while low 4,762. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,006. The S to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 5,000. Change for June 9%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at 5,000 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,000, while low 4,000. They found the middle value of cost 4,587. The S to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 4,048. Change for July 13%. Us to CHZ expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at